Have you ever wondered how some of the smallest creatures in the Amazon rainforest can be the most dangerous? Let's talk about the Amazon poison frog, a tiny powerhouse with a secret weapon and a very unique way to breathe. These vibrant frogs, often called poison dart frogs, are famous for their electric colors: blues, yellows, reds that warn predators, "Hey, I'm not your next snack." But what really sets them apart is their poison. The toxin in their skin is strong enough to paralyze or even kill much larger animals. Indigenous peoples have used this toxin for centuries, carefully applying it to the tips of blow darts for hunting. But here's the thing: these frogs don't make the poison themselves. They get it from their diet: tiny ants, mites and beetles rich in toxic compounds. When kept in captivity and fed a different diet, these frogs actually lose their toxicity. Isn't that wild? Now let's talk about how these little amphibians breathe. Sure, they have lungs, but the Amazon poison frog has a superhero trick up its sleeve: cutaneous respiration. That means they can absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide right through their skin. Their skin has to stay moist for this to work, so you'll always find them in damp, humid spots on the rainforest floor. When it rains, it's party time for these frogs. The extra moisture lets them breathe even better and stay active. Cutaneous respiration isn't just a backup system, it's crucial for their survival. Their lungs are relatively simple compared to mammals, so about half the gas exchange happens directly through their skin. This is also why pollution and habitat destruction are such big threats. Anything that dries out their skin or pollutes the water they live in can put them in serious danger. So next time you spot one of these jewel-like frogs in a nature documentary, remember, under those dazzling colors is a creature perfectly built for survival in one of the world's toughest environments. They're tiny, toxic, and totally fascinating. Thanks for joining me on this rainforest adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the Amazon poison frog, make sure to subscribe for more wild discoveries.